Alright guys, welcome back to Big Boy Reps 808. I split this haul up because I had to my expiring coupons, so check it out. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Look at that. Now we're getting some advertisements, oh lordy. Here we go. As you guys can see, it's going to be a clothing haul. Okay, we got some Nike socks. These are my long ones, the mid-calves. I like using these. I have previously ordered the no-shows and the ankle highs, and guess what guys? They're only 53 cents for a 3-pack. Go and score yourself some socks right now, since I know all of you out there are ordering shoes. This is a great pickup. Comfortable, not too thick, and decent quality. 10 out of 10 for the price and the quality for what you're paying. I got these NPC cargo work pants. I love using these on the daily. They're comfortable and they're cheap. Do yourselves a favor, if you're going to get some decent pair of work pants, hands down, they're comfortable and they're cheap. You know what I'm saying? You're going to beat them up anyway. Great pair of NPC pants, 10 out of 10. I wanted to try out these jeans. Cheap price and decent quality. They're a denim mix. The pockets are deep and they feel good. They do have some stretch, which tells me it is not 100% denim. But for the price I paid, I was not expecting much. This is just a test pair, and I may order another one if they last longer than 6 months. 7 out of 10 for these jeans. Okay, let's check out this Balenciaga shirt. Another test order, because I need the big boy sizes and had to try the fit firsthand. First and foremost, this feels good. It's a heavy shirt. For all you skinny guys, it will look like a dress on you. There's the Balenciaga tag as well. Note, I have tried on the shirt, and the collar is snug. I had to stretch it out a bit so I would not feel like I was choking all the time. That is my only drawback for the shirt, so 9 out of 10. Okay, let's get to the essential shirt right here. This feels good, and the size is on point for me. Little loose thread, we can cut that off. The tags, they feel nice. It's a nice, thick, heavy cotton. We got your essentials tags, and again, this one feels really good, doesn't feel cheap or anything. Proper essentials right there. It's definitely worth getting. I'd give this one a 9 out of 10 because again, I tried this on and the collar was tight. Okay, second essential shirt right here. That's a proper tag. It looks nice and tag looks good on the back as well. Overall, it looks good, feels good, it feels heavy, it doesn't feel light or cheap. 9 out of 10 for the collar being tight on me after a test fitting. That's it for this haul. I love what I ordered. We'll be ordering more shirts for the future since I'm trying to redo my closet and all that. Please stay tuned for more videos. I am Big Boy Reps 808. Itaobuy haul, this is how we do it. 20% off all items until December 7th. And make sure you guys get into the Discord server right now. They're running some new giveaways celebrating the community, reaching 10,000 members until November 20th. Take that, haters. So make sure you guys join by clicking on my link in the description. Remember, you want $300 in shipping coupons? Join Itaobuy today. Alright everyone, peace.